Okay. I hope the lighting is good, but hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna be going over tools that you need to start your small business. I don't know if you guys know, but I started my small business about 2 weeks ago, and thank you so much for whoever supported me. Love you. Don't forget to let me know how you're liking your soaps. But yeah, we're gonna go over everything that you need. I think these are the basic tools that you need. Some other people have mentioned extra things that are not necessary, and I know whenever somebody's starting something new, it could be a bit challenging or a bit intimidating, especially when you know you have to get all these different types of things. So in today's video, I'm gonna go over only the basic things that you need in order to get started. A lot of the videos that I've watched, they've mentioned unnecessary things, and it's like, why? It's just nice to have them, but you don't need them. So we're gonna go over what you absolutely need in this video in order to start successfully. By the way, if you guys don't know me, hi, my name is Daphne, but I go by Fufu. I'm 21 and I'm an aspiring business owner. I've always loved business, and I'm really happy that I'm getting started. So if you're like me, or if you like anything in business, then you might want to subscribe, because we're gonna have more of these videos coming up. But we're gonna jump straight into it. The very first thing that you need is a website. You need this so people could have a place to go to in order to shop for your products. I know some people would post their products on Instagram. That's fine as well, but if you're trying to sell things internationally or just everywhere and not just in one specific city or state, then you definitely need a website or something that helps you with shipping and packaging orders. So what I use is Shopify, and Shopify is really good for that. You literally do mommy 2 hearts. 1 second, priorities. Hey girl. Okay, bye. Love you too, bye. I love conversations on the phone that are less than a minute. Can y'all relate? Anyways, Shopify helps you with most of the things that are hard, because nothing is hard once you learn it, honestly. You just gotta get used to it. So if there's something you're struggling with, it's because you're not used to it, or it's something that is completely foreign to you, but nothing is really hard. So Shopify does everything that's hard. Everything is calculated, and it's so smart. I definitely recommend them. I think it's a good investment every month. Speaking of investment, you do have to pay $29 a month for like the basic plan, which is what I have. They do have other plans that are more money than I could remember or care to remember, but I do have the $29 a month plan, and I think it's completely worth it. You do get a lot of perks and features, so definitely look into that. Yeah, you definitely need a website. The next thing you need is a label printer. So if you guys don't know what labels are, I'm assuming you guys are extremely new to the business world, so I'm gonna explain everything, and if it's tedious to you because you already know what they are, please bear with me, because there are people that are how I was, completely clueless, honestly, and I want to make sure everybody knows what they're doing. So you need label printers. It's basically a printer that prints out the labels that you are gonna put on packages to ship them out. So I use a thermal printer. I'm gonna include it on the screen. It's extremely essential, but the price is a bit on the pricier side, so it is a bit expensive. I forgot how much I spent on it. I know I had doubts on buying it, but whenever you're gonna start a business, you gotta believe in yourself enough to invest in yourself. And I feel like certain things you don't really need, but this, a thermal printer, I think it's a great investment. And if there's a way you could find a discount on it, then by all means go ahead and do that. But I got mine. It's called the Label Range LP320 label printer, and I got it for $130. So yeah, it's a bit pricier, but hey, it works extremely fast and extremely well. It's better when you spend more money on something that works than spending a little bit of money and having to struggle with what you bought just because you want it to be a bit cheaper. So invest in your business, buy a label printer, buy a thermal one, because you're gonna save so much money in the long run. So with a label printer, you also need shipping labels. So there's no way you could use a label printer without shipping labels. I think the ones that I use are like 4x6. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put everything on the screen, but you definitely need that in order for it to go in the printer, and so you can print out the shipping labels. And also, one little hack that I did not know, your label printer, which is the printing machine, it can actually print out stickers. You just have to buy different sized labels. So like I said, the one that I bought is 4x6. You can also buy small ones and take it off of the actual label printing paper and put it on your packaging, on wherever, and bam, stickers, and the little rolls of stickers from Amazon, they cost like $10-12 for like a lot of stickers, like hundreds of stickers. So that's a little tip I did not know, but it's a really good idea, and I'm gonna start doing that. All right, so the next thing you need is a USB adapter. I don't mean like any regular adapter, I mean one that has like a billion plugs, because I have the regular adapter, but that wasn't enough because I needed to be able to have two of the same type of connectors plugged in to my laptop, and my Chromebook only accepts USB-C plugs, so it was not gonna happen. And USB-C is basically this. It looks like this, so not an iPhone charger head and not an Android charger head. It's a bit more narrow, hence why I wasn't able to connect my laptop with the printer. I had to get an adapter. This adapter was, I remember the price. Oh my god, I'll show y'all. I remember the price. It was $31. I was like, oof, that hurt. But I had to do it again because there was no way I would be able to print out my products without connecting to my laptop, so I needed that. So yeah, if you guys want like a video of me actually doing these things, like actually incorporating all the tools that you need in like a regular business day video, let me know, because I'll be more than happy to do that for y'all. Okay, now this next thing that you need is crucial. It is so important, and I don't know how I managed to just overlook it completely. Like, I really thought my life was gonna go smoothly without this in my business, which is a mistake. And I'm so very happy that my first customer was somebody that I knew, because if that wasn't the case, and if I wasn't testing my shipping process with them, then it would have been kind of scary. You want to make sure that you have a PO box, because if you don't, when you do print out the shipping label, it's gonna print out with the address you signed up with as your location for your inventory. So what I mean by that is Shopify asks you where your products are being held at, and you literally put in an address of the location, and that's where your inventory is at. So my inventory is at my apartment, love, and let me tell you how. I literally did not understand why I couldn't change my address to something else. Like, I wanted to put like the Family Dollars next to my house. Like, I wanted to put something. I'm like, people gonna know where I live at. So I had to purchase a whole PO box. So please know that. I don't think any of the videos that I've watched on what you need as a small business mention that, but that's extremely important. You need a PO box so people don't know where you live and they gonna pop up. Definitely get a PO box. I think mine cost around 100 and something for 3 months, so I think like 161. Again, an investment, but it's definitely crucial and definitely worth it. So I recommend you getting a PO box. All right, so the next thing that you need is packaging. I sell soaps, homemade vegan soaps, and so with my packaging, it's kind of on the simpler side, but still I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. I bought these clear plastic bags. I actually bought these other type of bags that whenever you put the heat gun on them, they shrink to the actual soap, but again, that's a whole nother investment, because I would have to buy the machine that cuts the bag and seals it, and then I would have to buy a whole heat gun, and it's like, that's not really necessary, because you could always be creative with how you package your products. So with my packaging, I ended up buying these plastic wraps, and what I do is I just wrap my soap in them, and I buy like some very pretty ribbon string, and I close the wrap, and I put like a cute little sticker. Speaking of stickers, stickers are a must for your business. It just adds your own little touch to your business. For my stickers, I bought them on Amazon. I think it was like so much for honestly a really good price for the amount that you're getting, for how many packages you're gonna have. Like literally you could put 2 stickers in each package and still have a lot. So it adds personality to your orders, and it's cute. The aesthetics are there, and there are ways that you can make your own stickers, but again, that's what I'm talking about. You don't really need to know how to do that stuff as you're starting a business, but definitely buy stickers off of Amazon. Amazon is your friend, because not only do you have reviews, you also have pictures and videos. You basically are good to go. But speaking of packaging, the next thing that you're gonna need for your small business is bubble mailers, poly mailers if you're selling clothes, boxes if you're selling bigger, bulkier items. What I use is bubble mailers, and I actually purchased some on Amazon, which I have them over there. They're all the way across the room, so you're not getting up to get them, but I'm gonna put a picture on the screen. I purchased these from Amazon. They're really nice quality. I wish they were a bit puffier, but I guess that's okay. So I bought those, but a little hack for you guys, and you can thank me later. USPS actually offers you free packaging, so free boxes, bubble mailers, free everything, big boxes, little boxes. Like, I did not know that was real. Like, I literally went on the website and I ordered some boxes for $0.00. I was like, America. I'm feeling the love because rarely are things free in this country. So yeah, that's like a little reward for having your business. You get free bubble mailers, free boxes from USPS. So go on their website, order them. They're not the prettiest, but baby, they are the freest. As far as packaging goes, that's one less thing to worry about. I also forgot to mention, for stickers, you could buy thank you stickers or stickers that has personalized notes. Amazon does offer that. If you don't want to make them on your own, you don't have to. You also could buy that. I just wanted to say that because I think I forgot to say that. All right, so the next thing that you need is a scale. This is how you're gonna be able to accurately weigh your product. And so with that, your shipping is gonna be calculated correctly. So an example for me, my soaps individually without any packaging, they weigh 5 ounces. But with my packaging, it's about, I forgot, but it's less than a pound with the packaging. So yeah, a scale is a crucial thing that you need for your business as well. All right, the next thing that you need is not something physical, but it's something that's extremely important. I think this is one of the most important things in this video, and that is you need time to do research. So when I started my business, I did some research, of course, but I was never like into it. And it wasn't until like my launch day and me seeing the numbers and me seeing how everybody's interacting with my store and me seeing people going into my store and some of them would not buy anything. I'm just like, I have a good price for my items. I have great items with great quality, and I am marketing my products. So why aren't people purchasing them? So that brought me into this like curious mindset, and I'm just like, okay, let me look this up. Let me look this up. And so I'm learning like there are things that you could do to like attract your customers more to your product. Like I also have to think about making TikToks, which is really important nowadays for business owners because TikToks are a lot of people's main source of marketing and main source of purchases because TikTok is just that big. But yeah, you definitely need to do research. If you don't know something, please look it up or ask somebody that you know has the business the question. Like researching is key. But we all know this because knowledge is key. You need to do your research if you care about your business, if you want to succeed, if you want to grow. Like I would be on my laptop for the whole day. When I'm eating, I would watch videos about people packaging their orders just so I could get tips from them, just so I could see how the process goes for them. I would Google, why am I not getting as many sales today? Or I would just, whatever I'm curious about, I develop the drive to just look it up. Whenever I don't know something, I just look it up, and lo and behold, I get my answer within a matter of seconds. So if you don't know something, don't be shy about it. Don't give up about it. If you do give up, that means you never really wanted it in the first place. But if you don't know something, go ahead and look it up. YouTube is the literal answer for life. I don't care what anybody says. I would strongly recommend doing a whole lot of research before selecting the products you're gonna sell, because some products sell themselves. Those are the golden products, and other products just don't sell unless you're marketing it or unless you're persuading your audience to buy it. So definitely do research on every little thing you can think of, but don't be inhumane about it. Take your time, breathe, and slow down so you can process all the information. At the end of the day, you do not want to rush this because it's a whole process. So the very last tip that I have for you guys, or the very last tool that I have for you guys that you need for a small business, is patience. Oh my god, you need so much patience. I remember on my lunch day, I was like, what the heck? Like, people know what the website is. Like, me being the regular 2 + 2 = 4 person that I am, I was like, people know where the website is. They know what it is. It's literally my name.com, foodfunny.com. Like, why isn't anybody buying my products? And I'm just like, I'm getting frustrated. I'm going to my boyfriend. I'm just like, what's going on? Like, I didn't understand it. And I'm just like, okay, I have to market my products. I have to do little videos of my products. I have to really be 100% in this. I really thought I was gonna sell out my very first inventory stock like within like a week, honestly. But for a lot of people, that is the case. They do sell out on the very first launch, and I'm happy for them. Like, that's literally amazing. Your business, your products plus marketing equals success. Without marketing, nobody's gonna know about you. Nobody's gonna know about your products, what you do. You're just not gonna be known. You get me? So if you don't put yourself out there, you're never gonna get people into your shop and actually checking out the products. So I ended up getting more sales, but I'm still not where I want to be, of course. course not, like I just started, but I'm really excited for this journey. Like as my boyfriend, I'm literally every single day, every single moment I'm at my house, if I'm not working or like doing something, I'm watching videos about business. I'm so happy that I found this part of myself, because I always knew I liked business, but I just never knew I would like it this much. You get me? So I think this is a passion of mine, a very much hidden passion, but I'm glad that it's out now. So if you guys want any business advice, or if you guys have any questions that you want to ask me, go ahead and ask me down below. Or if you guys want to support me, I do sell vegan homemade soaps. They are 100% natural. They have shea butter, olive oil, coconut oil, just the essential oils for an everyday glow. So if you guys want to support me, go ahead and check it out at foodfunny.com, or just click the link in my description box down below, and I would really appreciate it. But thank you so much for watching this video. This is the end of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and edit it right now, get it up for you guys. But I love you guys so much. Also, if anybody's missed my vlogs, let me know, because I've been really wanting to vlog, but I'm just like, I don't know if people like want to watch me vlog anymore. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna think positively. Yes, you guys do want to see me vlog, and so your girl's coming out with a vlog next video. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I cannot wait for this business journey. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, Fufu out. Love you.